Alright guys, we have here the RefectoCil Beard Tinting Kit for barbers. Great quality product. This is a kit. It comes with, let me turn that over to the English side. 2 natural brown, 2 light brown, 1 graphite, 1 pure black, 1 developer, 1 mixing bowl, and 1 cosmetic brush for the beard. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open up the contents. Empty it all out for you guys here. So this is what it all comes with. You got the colors, and you got the developer and the brush and a big bowl as well for beard tinting. So it gives you the instructions on here how to use it, and on the inside as well. Let's open up the pamphlet. So this is what it has on the inside here. Mixing color and instructions and sensitivity. So if you're interested in purchasing this or any other RefectoCil products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day.